Hi, I'm Susan Katz from Brown Howard Stevens. You know that feeling when you come home and your shoulders come out of your ears and you take a deep breath and you just feel like, oh, okay, I'm home. That's how I feel in this apartment, and that's how I think you will feel too. It's a beautifully gracious, large, king-size, one-bedroom in an Emery Roth pre-war building on the Upper West Side, on the corner of Riverside and 91st Street. Got Riverside Park right across the street. The Hippo Playground is there, and Broadway in the other direction. We have a one-bedroom apartment in a beautiful pre-war Doorman building, eat-in kitchen, king-size bedroom, lovely large bathroom, and just pretty much anything you could ask for is right here.